My name is Bobby Curtis. Today is March the 19th, 2017. What I'm doing is beginning the first in a series of videos that I believe validate a theory I have that the Central Intelligence Agency in Langley, Virginia played a key role in the assassinations of John Fitzgerald Kennedy, President of the United States, Robert F. Kennedy, his brother, in June of 1968, Martin Luther King Jr., and Malcolm X. And essentially what I've done is, in times past, I've discovered a numeric code that fits the names of all the assassins. I'm going to demonstrate that and how it corresponds with the CIA in Langley, Virginia, as well as certain cities and addresses in which other individuals have been either assaulted or lived in and then under potentially life-threatening situations. So what I've done is develop this, and I'm going to show you how this works. Now, there's a couple of things you need to understand about this. Using the alphabet A through Z, 26 letters, numbering 1 through 26, each letter, for instance, A would be 1, B would equal 2, C would equal 3, and so forth and so on, with Y being 25 and Z being 26. Is a numeric code. You'll also realize that there's precedent for that in a couple of areas. One is your phones today, even an iPhone, has numbers and letters on the keypad. Now, unlike the letters on the keypad where you have ABC for 1, when you're going 1 through 26, it's one letter and equals a number. So for instance, the letter D would be 4, or the letter Y would be 25. So in looking at that, what you find is precedent as well in ancient Hebrew, in which the letters are also the numbers. There was no numeric system in the ancient Hebrew. So to demonstrate that, what I'll show you is, first of all, essentially a chart on my laptop. And on the laptop you can see that these are developed. And then looking at this video, you can also see that the CIA, as I've written here, with C being 3, I being 9, A equaling 1. If you add those numbers together, 3 plus 9 plus 1 equals 13. As long as you keep the rules consistent, 1 plus 3, for the sake of argument, would also equal 4. And then if you come down to Langley, and L is equal to 12, and A is equal to 1, and N is equal to 14, and G is equal to 7, L is equal to 12, E is equal to 4, and Y is equal to 25, then what you would essentially get is the number 12 plus 1 plus 14 plus 7 plus 12 plus 4, 12 plus 1 plus 14 plus 7 plus 12 plus 4 plus 25 equals 76, which also could be said to be 7 plus 6, or 13, which would also equal 4, using the same model. And you can see the two 4s correspond, and 4 plus 4 would equal 8. Now this is very pivotal going forward. And you'll see that I've developed this on my laptop as well for CIA, Langley, and 4 plus 4 equals 8 in the chart. So that's the first video in the series. Now I'll be using this chart to show how the assassins that were involved in the assassinations had very carefully selected names, and I think you'll find the information interesting. Thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you on this.